Filling out a Texas car title is simple if you follow the steps carefully. Start by flipping the title over to the back. On the top half, look for the line that says Signature of Seller or Agent. Sign your name there exactly as it's printed on the front of the title. No nicknames, no abbreviations. Right next to it, on the line that says Printed Name, write your name again, clearly, using the same spelling as your signature. Don't use whiteout or make any scratch-outs. That can void the title and delay the process. If there's more than one person listed as the owner, everyone whose name is on the front needs to sign. So double-check the title first. Now, if there's a Lienholder or a bank name on the front of the title, you'll either need their signed release on the title or a separate Lion release letter before the title can be transferred. If your title is lost or damaged and you need a duplicate, you can get one in person at your local Texas DMV office, usually the same day. If you request it by mail, expect to wait about 2 weeks. Right now, you can't apply for a duplicate title online. The replacement title fee in Texas is currently $2. And if you need help locating your nearest DMV, you can visit the Texas DMV website. That's everything you need to know for filling out a Texas car title the right way.